In this short tutorial, I will show you how to easily check your join date on Roblox. Your join date is the day you first created your Roblox account, and it can be fun to know when you started your gaming journey. Checking your join date is quite simple and only takes a few quick and easy steps. To get started, open the Roblox app. And then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the profile button. And then swipe this up. And tap where it says, View Full Profile. What you want to do next is scroll down to the very bottom. Now you'll be able to see your Roblox join date. This is exactly how you can check your join date on Roblox. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.